Second time. Yeah. Second time getting flicked in this goddamn Trackhawk. We in Detroit, man. These bitches hot commodities, man. They get stolen. So the police be on these bitches whenever they even see one. Waiting on him to come back to the car. And they used to niggas running for real. I pulled over for his ass. He probably was shot. Here you come.
Hey, brother, just do me a favor. I gotta grab your VIN real quick. Just set your hands up on the steering wheel for me.
All right.
Just keep them right there. Don't move, okay?
All right.
Put the car off for me if you don't mind. Just roll them up here. Thanks, appreciate it.
How long you in the car?
Just got it.
When?
Like a day or two ago.
Oh, nice car.
Appreciate it.
Literally just got it.
Just picked it up.
Man. Who'd you buy it from?
Yeah, I got it from them.
Okay, all right. Give me a second, I'll be right back, okay?
Okay. They checking the VIN. They think this bitch is stolen car. This bitch not a stolen car, bro. They talking about who you get it from. The dealership, dude. God damn. They gotta go through all this for a damn car. Just for everybody that be wanting a Hellcat or a Trackhawk, this type of shit you gotta go through. This is what they ain't gonna show y'all. You gotta worry about. I ain't gonna say that, okay? You gotta worry about police shit, man. This type of shit you gotta deal with when you got a fucking any Dodge car for real. The fast ones at least. They looking at the plate. Like, bro, it's not stolen, bro. Waiting on them to tell me what's going on. They got 4 police cars for 1 car. That's crazy. Hey, ask them what police is it? Oak Park, Southfield, Detroit.
The Southfield car? Oak Park.
Oak Park Police. We on the other side. We ain't even in Oak Park. Damn. Hold on.
Do me a favor, set your hands on the steering wheel for me. Yeah, you set your phone down, man. Leave it right there. Do not move. Do not reach for the gun, okay?
Okay.
So, since you're I'm gonna have you step out, all right? Just give me your hand as you step out, okay? Get your other hand, put your palms together, okay? Just like your friend, there you go.
True. Louis bag.
Got nothing else on you, right?
Can you grab my wallet?
Yeah, just give us a second. All right, let's go to the front of my car, man.
Write the passenger a ticket for not wearing a seatbelt.
Roger that. So, do this.
Did you say we could search
So
it?
hey, you see that green scat up in the gas?
Yeah.
This is what you got to go through when you own one of these cars. This is what you got to go through. This.
Yeah, absolutely. Hold behind, okay.
When you own one of these cars, you got to go through this. They got 4 cars on us, man. We ain't did nothing but drove a Trackhawk.
Oh man, have a good night, okay?
Alright. What's the towing company though? I gotta know who towing my shit. Just in case they fuck it up. I need all the information. Huh? Huh?
They happen to give you one of the cards?
Is this it?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
You can give them a call at 8 o'clock in the morning. They'll have
Alright.
you.
What's going on? What they doing?
On some fuck shit. We just went through this shit yesterday 2 times. Now they want to take the cart off.
This shit too crazy.
We legit though, so what I mean, you know,
They thought we was, they thought we was,
man, they thought we was fraud.
they thought we weren't right with it. We all the way right with it, so we ain't got no worries. Hopping the scat from the track, ain't tripping.
You get in front. Yeah.
What time is it? Camp. 8:51. 8:53. Early as shit. Leaving the damn police department. Getting this fucking car back early as hell. 8 in the morning. Got us doing all this extra shit just to show that the car is mine. Just for them to give it back. They so used to niggas riding strikers and shit, man. I get it. But when it's a nigga, when it's really yours, nigga. Feel me? You ain't gotta do all that. Just got to this impound. Told them they better not drive my shit. They better not let nobody steal my shit. They got my shit far in the back somewhere. I don't even see it. We gonna see it when they pull up though. The boy up early as hell doing this shit. Man. The car that's mine. Shit don't make no sense. All this shit could have been avoided.
Cut.
They ain't even have a real reason to impound my shit for real.
They talking about bring release form, registration, titles, driver license. Cash only, huh?
Cash only. It's 2022, man. Y'all take cars. That's why this bill goes the way it do. Y'all taking cash early. It's 2023 shit. What you talking about? Red key back. Y'all know we don't play with these folks, man. Not gonna play with these folks. I still don't see that bitch. Yeah, they had to tuck my shit. They know that bitch would get took. I ain't even had this bitch a full 72 hours. Thank you.
You're welcome.
To be going through some shit like this. I gotta make sure everything right. my plate at?
The police probably have your plate.
Huh?
The police department probably has your license plate.
How am I supposed to drive without that?
I don't know. You want to ask them. Did they put a paper plate in there?
Who? The police?
Yeah.
No.
Sometimes if they take the metal plate, they'll put a paper plate in.
Like, they gonna have me going through the same process, driving off like this?
Yeah. I mean, if you want to run back up there and ask them real quick, you can. You just, I mean, or drive it up there. Doesn't, whatever. What was it brought in for?
I couldn't even tell you. I told them I just got the car. They set a nigga up for failure on this bit.
Yeah, I'm sure they probably took it.
You know what I'm saying? Got the track back. And gave my plate back though. Police ain't give my plate back. Gotta go back up here. Pick this shit up. They set a nigga up for failure. They want a nigga to drive off with no plate so they can impound that bitch again. Shit retarded. Back up at this bitch, man. Got us on spent shit early. Back up at this damn tow lot. Had to go get a paper plate to drive off. You thought you was finna tow my shit? We out of here.
It's just, they just look at like some bullshit story. They know they can't let them off. Man. They just hate to see a nigga on the street. They like, they can't take it.
Man. We back in the track, man, you know. We back in the track.
And damn well this bitch is brand new, all this shit.
Can't fuck with us.
No cut.
When you legit, you ain't gotta do all that extra shit, man. Get your shit right back. They thought a nigga wasn't coming back for this bitch. That's what it was.
So they thought we was in a strikey.
Crazy. Crazy, man.
I can't spare him in that strike, but we not going both.
Ain't no cut.
We out of here. Back in the track, man. I just had to go through all of that just to get my car. I know they thought it was stolen, but it wasn't though. We don't do that. We grown men. We don't play little boy games, man. We don't do that. But no, man, I just wanted to vlog this shit and show y'all, like, getting these cars, this shit ain't all sweet how y'all think it is. Like, there's a lot come with this shit. You gotta babysit this damn car. Shit be too much. I wanted this car. I know what I signed up for though. You know, I know it come with it. Shit, it is what it is, man. We got the track back. We back on road, man. Oh yeah, man. I'm about to start this vlog and shit too. So y'all tune in, subscribe my shit. Like this video if y'all want more video, more car content. I'm gonna keep all this shit coming for y'all. See this car in front of me, I got one of them too. Back to back, Benz, Trackhawk, GLE.